Welcome to Beginner's Guide to SOLIDWORKS Warm Gear Drawing Lesson. Select the File Properties menu to add Custom Properties. Add a material property. Weight. Volume. My name. And description. Click OK to finish. Make a new drawing. Select the drawing template and click OK. Use the A landscape sheet size, turn on the display sheet format and click OK. From the view palette, drag the front view onto the sheet and add an isometric view. Change the front view to hide the tangent edges and show the tangent edges in the isometric view. Add a section view. Select vertical, click on the front view and locate the section in the sheet. Select the front view, click on Model View, set the option to Front View, change the scale, and locate the view on the screen. Change the new view to hide the tangent edges. From the Sketch tab, select the Ellipse tool and draw an ellipse in the new view. With the ellipse selected, click on Crop View from the View Layout tab. Click on Model Items, set the import options and click OK. Arrange the dimensions as indicated. Move the diameter dimensions to the front view. Select the diameter dimensions and change them to display as diameter. Arrange the rest of the dimensions as needed. Select the Smart Dimension tool. Add the angular dimension and change its precision. Right-click on the screen, select More Dimensions and select the chamfer dimension. Select the chamfer edges and locate the dimension. Change the chamfer dimensions precision as shown. Right-click on the sheet and select Edit Sheet Format. Edit the sheet notes and change their format as needed. Add a new note. Type Designer and link it to the My Name property. Exit the sheet format to continue. Add a new layer and rename it Reference. Move the added dimensions to the reference layer, save the drawing and close the file.